This is going to be a video tutorial on how to link a JavaScript file to an HTML file. I will be using VS Code for this. Let me jump over to VS Code. I have VS Code opened up now. I have a file that I've set up here. This is a basic HTML structure here. I'm working inside of a folder, and inside of my folder all I have is my basic HTML file here, and then I've created a folder for my JavaScript file, which I've named the folder JS. I'm going to show you how to link a JavaScript file with or without the folder. I'm going to start off with without the folder. I'm going to go over to my sidebar, Explorer sidebar off to the left here, and I'm going to go up to where it says New File. I'm going to click on New File, and I'm going to name this file script.js. I'm going to hit enter. There is my JavaScript file. Now I'm going to go back over to my HTML file, and you want to place your script tags right before the closing body tag. There is my closing body tag right there. I'm going to start right up here. I'm going to type script, and I'm going to close my opening script tag. And as you can see, VS Code automatically closes the script tag. I'm going to place my mouse cursor just after the T on the opening script tag. I'm going to make a space. I'm going to type src equals double quotations, and in the middle of those double quotations I'm going to type the name of my JavaScript file. The name of my JavaScript file is script.js. Now I'm going to place my mouse cursor over that JavaScript file name, and you can see that follow link appears. I'm going to click on that follow link, and it should take me over to my JavaScript file. It is connected properly. It took me to my JavaScript file. Now I'm going to close that tab. I'm going to save this. Then I'm going to move my JavaScript file inside of my JS folder. I'm going to move it up there. It asks me if do I want to move it. I'm going to click on move. Now my JavaScript file is inside of that JS folder. So now if I click on that follow link, it's going to give me an error. Unable to open. I'm going to click on cancel. I'm going to go back to my HTML file here. And what I need to do now, being it's inside of a folder, I need to put my mouse cursor at the very beginning of that JavaScript file name. I need to type the name of my folder. The name of my folder is JS. Then I need to make a /, and the name of my JavaScript file is script.js. Now if I place my mouse cursor over that JavaScript file name and click on follow link, it'll open up my JavaScript file. There is my JavaScript file. It is connected properly. That is how to connect a JavaScript file to an HTML file. Thanks for watching.